It's new all-weather floor mat day today. I've got some floor mats in from Lasfit. These things, they look awesome so far. Check them out. They're down here on the table and they're going to replace these. These are the cheapo floor mats, the carpet floor mats that come with the truck. Now, they don't look too bad with the little insignia here, but they don't last. They're already starting to come apart. Look at that. Fibers all over the place. So we're going to get rid of these and we're going to use the Lasfit all-weather floor mats. Now, before I put them in, a little bit of housekeeping for you, right? Here's what they offer. Perfect fit. They are 3D designed. Pet friendly. Your pets can walk around with their claws and everything on these without damaging them, like they would pull the fibers and everything off of the carpeted OEM mats. They are good for minus 13 to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. So they'll withstand those really hot South Texas temperatures that we have here. Easy to clean. If you want to clean them, pull them out, hose them off, stick them back in the truck. Pretty simple. You can't do that with those things. Slip resistant. Nice, good slip resistant surface so that when you're climbing into your truck, you're not slipping all over the place. Durable. They're made from a TPE material, even better than rubber, and they're eco-friendly. Here's the part number if you're interested. There will be a link down below. Click the link, go to the Lasfit website, enter discount code RobMotive for 15% off. And these things are pretty inexpensive to begin with. It's almost like they're giving them to you, but they're not. So let's take a quick look at them. They do have the covers that will snap in over where your little clips go to hold these in place so they're not going to slide all over. I like this. Nice little feature, and you get a nice seamless look. They're all ribbed and everything to keep all of the grime and stuff inside. And they even have a little Tacoma right here on each one. Just a nice little touch, one of those little Easter eggs, I guess. And they're a nice deep black color. So let's go over to the truck. We're going to put them in, check out the fit, and we'll be protected. Okay, we're going to start with the driver's side. Go ahead and slip it in there. Should be a nice tight fit. You want it right over the existing little nubs, the little turn things, and these do rotate so you can line them up. You want them to be just like this. And then we're going to go ahead, push them on down over, and then just turn these to lock them in like so. Make sure we get over the, if you have a manual seat that is, over the little lever there, so we get a nice clean fit. Check that out. Awesome. Now you want to take your covers and just snap them over. And that's it. There you go. They fit so well, it's even hard to tell if they're on, and they are. That's it. That's the look on the driver's side. Now, let's run around and do the passenger side. Okay, same process over here. I'm going to slip the seat back for this one. Should have done that on the driver's side, I suppose. Give myself a little more room. Let's go ahead and turn these so they fit on there properly. There you go. Stick them over the things. This one jumped on all by itself. It's like it knew. Then take the little covers once again. Just push them on. You'll feel them kind of lock in there. They have little ribs in the back, and that's it. Check out that fit. We've got nice coverage right over the edge of the sill area, deep coverage right up to the top so that you're not dirtying the carpet up there, and nice high coverage on the side. Perfect. Let's do the back. One thing I forgot to mention, they do have all these little nubs on the back to kind of grab the carpet to even make them more stable. Let's go ahead, see if I can slip this one in with the front seat. I probably should put the front seat all the way up. Oops. Had it backwards. But let's see. See if I can do it without moving the seat. That would be, wow, even better. Let's go over to the passenger side. Slip this underneath. Push this down in the center. Oh yeah, nice. All right, let's go back over and adjust the driver's side rather. There you go, nice solid fit. And one thing I've noticed in the past when I've had other versions of these types of floor mats, it never lays firm right here in the center. This does. Ones I've had in the past always bow up like they're too wide or something. These fit really, really well. And again, they give you a nice coverage right over the edges and right up to the sides here. Let me flash up some pictures of them. You can see what they look like with everything installed. Okay, one last thing to check out. How do they feel? And I know it might be kind of crazy, right? I mean, your feet are on them, right? But they feel nice and cushiony. I like that. Nice and cushiony on your feet. Should provide for a nice comfy ride, and they're solid. They don't slip around in there. Awesome product. I think they're fantastic. Highly recommended. Now, a couple more things, a little more housekeeping stuff. You're probably wondering, do they have any warranty or what's the return thing or any of that kind of stuff? They have a 90-day money-back guarantee. They have a lifetime hassle-free warranty, 24/7 online support, local support service in California. And then they also list a phone number that you can call should you have any questions or anything like that. Anyway, awesome product. Once again, there is a link down below. Click the link, go to the site, put in your vehicle information. Speaking of vehicles, they have these for many different vehicles, the whole Toyota line, as well as other brands and manufacturers. And they're not going to cost you a fortune. Speaking of that, don't forget, put in the discount code RobMotive and you'll get 15% off. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.